This exercise is called the inner calf roll, so we're gonna work the inside of your calf in this area. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and put your lower leg on the foam roller. We're gonna turn in towards your big toe, and then you're gonna go ahead and find a tender spot here. You're gonna find a spot that feels a little bit tight, restricted, and then you're gonna go ahead and bring your foot up and down. And then as that loosens up, it takes usually about a minute or two, you're gonna go ahead and go up and down, or up, and then you're gonna go ahead and bring your foot up and down there. If you want a little bit more weight on there, you can go ahead and put the other leg on top, and you should feel a little bit more, and then bring the foot up and down. Remember, spend about a minute or two. It'll take about that long for it to start to loosen up and be a little less painful. And those are some exercises to help you out with your shin splints. If your symptoms continue to persist, please consult your medical professional.